In primetime news tonight, war in the Caribbean. Opposition raises concern about crisis in Venezuela. Child labor on the rise. Policeman escapes death in daring morning attack. And more resources to fight dengue.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman.
Evening, Janella. Evening, viewers. Well, the opposition is also speaking about some other things. They are talking about public sector transformation. They say the government is focusing on the wrong thing. I'll have the details in the business day.
And from business, we go to Karen Madden. She has the headline sports story.
Good evening and good evening to our viewers. Well, guess what? It's cricket, lovely cricket. And this time, good news and the West Indies are in the same sentence. Join us for more.
There's also There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you think should be done to resolve the crisis in Venezuela?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.